Hi, my name is Vashta Wonan. I'm going to be discussing in this video the cell structures as well as the organelles of each cells and the various functions. As you can see, I will begin with my diagram, my drawing of each cell structures. My first cell structure I have here is the squamous, the polygon, the discoid, cuboidal, stellate, fusiform, caudinous, spheroidal, and my last structure I have in this diagram is the fibers. These are the few structure I have in my diagram of the cells. Now I'm going to discuss the organelles. The organelle, as we all are aware, is the non-living structure of the cells. And each organelle has its own functions. I'm going to start with the nucleus. The nucleus, which is the central portion of the cells. The nucleus contains a nucleus. That is the dark portion in the middle of the cells. Within the nucleus, we have the nucleus poles. Surrounding the nucleus is the nucleus envelope. Now, at the far end of the nucleus, I have the E arrow. That is the endoplasmic reticulus. The endoplasmic reticulus is divided into two parts. We have two parts of E arrow. We have the rough E arrow and we have the smooth E arrow. As you can see on this far end, I have my smooth E arrow. At this later end, I have my rough E arrow. And they both have its own function. For the rough E arrow, the function of the rough E arrow is to produce a ribosome. But in this ribosome also produce protein and peptide. The smooth E arrow, it do not have any ribosome, but instead the smooth E arrow help to detoxify the cells. And then later around the nucleus, what I have around the nucleus, as you can see, I have the Golgi complex. It's ready showing. Yeah, this is the Golgi complex. The function of the Golgi complex is to is responsible to put the final touches on the protein. That's the major function, to put the final touches on the protein. And after the Golgi complex, I also have the Golgi vesicles. There's the Golgi vesicle. Where is it? This is the Golgi vesicles. The Golgi vesicle is responsible to transport the products through the cell's membranes. After the Golgi vesicle, at this end, we have the lexisome. As you can see, there's the lexisome. These are my drawing of the lexisome. The lexisome help to break down unwanted material within the cells. The lexisome is normally found in our white blood cells as well as in our livers. That's where we locate the lexisome. After the lexisome, we have the peroxisome. The peroxisome, there's my peroxisome. There's the diagram of my peroxisome. The peroxisome is responsible to detoxify the cells. It also helps to break down unwanted material. After the peroxisome, I have the mitochondria. This is it. These are my drawing of the mitochondria, which is responsible for the ATP. This is the powerhouse of the cells. Finally, on the list of my organelles, I have the centriole. The centriole normally do not operate alone. The centriole operates in pairs. And the centriole are there to serve as the skeleton for the cells. Each centriole also produces certain protein that help in the cell division. As you can see, these are my final diagram for the cells and its organelle. I thank you.